Okay, so it's a known fact that in life, when you start trying to move in the right direction, there are going to be a whole lot of haters, naysayers, blockers, and crab barrel leg pullers trying to pull you in another direction. So for all of you who are trying to get your money straight, more importantly, you're trying to get your business straight. You are trying to run a real business, a world-class business, a business that lines up with the vision that you see for yourself. I said what I said. If you are going to run a proper LLC, S Corp, corporation, or partnership, you need proper records. You need resolutions and documents that state who does what, when, where, why, and how. You need to know when you're going to sign as the president, the treasurer, the secretary, a member, and so on and so forth. So for everybody who's out here trying to tell you, you don't need that, the state doesn't say that, you don't need this, that, and the other, you got a choice to make. Now you can run a broke business. You can run a hope business. You can run a faith business, and you could run a I'm trying business. But please do not run a janky business. Get your paperwork in order in Jesus' name.